Dew point temperature and humidity transmitter newly debuted. Do you prefer the LED display or the minimalist style without a screen? HG803 can perfectly meet your preferences. It has an extremely strong sensor adaptability, allowing you to switch easily between sensors such as the long rod flange or the hexagonal stainless steel protective cover. Are you worried about the protective cover issues in the future? Don't worry. Its ingenious design ensures that you can replace it without any pressure. Come and explore with us the innovative highlights of the HG803 series in this video, and appreciate HENGKO's unremitting pursuit of technological excellence. Do you want to know more details about HENGKO and find the most suitable temperature and humidity sensor solution for your project? Then visit our website, https://www.henkko.com. Of course, you are welcome to email us directly, ka@henkko.com, Mrs. Wang.